Hi, I'm Roger, and today we will discuss human growth hormone, or HGH, what it is, how it's produced, and how it affects our body. We'll also cover what declines and increases growth hormone levels, as well as the symptoms of low HGH levels. Now, when discussing HGH, we are not talking about the use of growth hormones for animals or the illegal use of HGH by athletes or bodybuilders for improving their performance. So what exactly is HGH and what do we know about it? Growth hormone, or somatropin, is a peptide hormone that stimulates growth, cell reproduction, and metabolism in humans and other animals. It also has importance for brain functions, the immune system, and heart health. Human growth hormone, or somatropin, is the laboratory synthesized version of GH that has the same molecular structure as somatropin, making it biologically available for the body to use. GH also stimulates the production of insulin growth factor 1, also known as IGF-1, a critical hormone produced by the liver that mediates many of the actions of growth hormone. Growth hormone also increases the concentration of glucose and free fatty acids. It is a type of mitogen which is specific only to the receptors on certain types of cells. Growth hormone is a 191 amino acid single cell polypeptide that is synthesized, stored, and secreted by somatrophic cells within the lateral wings of the anterior pituitary gland. How does growth hormone work in the body? Well, growth hormone does just what its name implies. In the early years, growth hormone spurs the growth in children and adolescents. Throughout life, it also helps to regulate body composition, body fluids, muscle and bone structure, sugar and fat metabolism, and heart and brain functions. Now, more simply, growth hormone is mainly responsible for preserving proteins in our body. And what part of your body is protein? Hair, skin, nails, ligaments, elastin and collagen, and even muscles and bones. All these are proteins, and we have a lot of them in our body. Basically, HGH is an ultimate anti-aging hormone that helps to keep things flexible. And when you start losing proteins, and if you are becoming more rigid in your arteries, you get high blood pressure and your body breaks down. As adults, we need it for cell growth and reproduction, cell regeneration after stress or injuries, brain functions, calcium retention, fat burning. It's the primary hormone that helps to burn fat in our body. Now, the main question is how to get more of HGH and stop losing it as we age. Well, unfortunately, by the time most people reach the age of 30, their growth hormone levels are already starting to decline. Through an understanding of what affects HGH levels and makes it lower, we can take steps to protect its production. Growth hormone is declined by not enough sleep. Most of the daily HGH production occurs during periods of deep, slow-wave sleep. So getting proper sleep is crucial to improving HGH levels. And when you get less than 7 hours of sleep, your pituitary gland does not have enough time to release the amount of growth hormone that your body requires. Too much stress. It is often said that people with much stress get sick more frequently than those with low levels of stress. That is in part due to stress increasing the level of cortisol in the blood, which is a hormone that inhibits growth hormone production. Since cortisol also interferes with sleep, it can reduce the amount of time available to the somatrophs to release growth hormone. Lack of exercise. As important as sleep is at night, exercise is during the day. Intensive exercise can stimulate the daytime pulsatile burst of HGH. Poor dietary choices, constant eating throughout the day can prevent HGH secretion. That is why doctors recommend intermittent fasting to help boost growth hormone production. Sugar. When we eat sugar, the pancreas secretes extra insulin into the blood to help the body's cell take in the converted glucose. Insulin decreases growth hormone. And how do you know if your growth hormone levels are low? Are there any symptoms? Well, yes, there are, and they can involve almost all your body systems. Low HGH levels can affect your mood and cognitive functions. It can cause bad memory, mood swings, anxiety, and even depression. Declined HGH levels can affect your energy levels, drive, and productivity. Many patients have complaints about a lack of energy, fatigue, and very low motivation. Metabolism and body fat levels can also be affected by declined HGH. Growth hormone deficiency is often a factor in people who are overweight. Low growth hormone levels can lead to obesity, sagging skin, and wrinkles. Aging skin becomes thinner due to lack of collagen and elastin that also require an abundant supply of new cells each day. Age spots, wrinkles, dryness, cellulite, and sagging are common with HGH deficiency. If you've noticed any signs of low HGH levels, make sure to see your hormone specialist. Well, I hope this information was helpful and informative for you. Stay healthy and keep up with our next videos.